Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that's all about making an impact. Our word of the day is bomb. This is a B1 level verb that means to attack with bombs. It's often used in the context of warfare or large-scale destruction, but it can also appear in figurative expressions. Let's explore how this word works in everyday language. When we talk about bomb, it's usually in a literal sense, such as the planes were sent to bomb the enemy base. However, in casual conversation, you might hear it used in a more figurative way, like he totally bombed the test, meaning he failed it badly. The flexibility of this word makes it an interesting addition to your vocabulary. Some synonyms for bomb include attack, strike, and shell. For example, the military decided to attack the stronghold from the air, or the troops planned to strike key targets overnight. On the other hand, antonyms for bomb might include protect, defend, or shield, as in the army worked to defend the city from harm, or they put up barriers to shield the civilians. In everyday life, you might hear bomb in news reports describing military actions, but it can also pop up in idiomatic phrases like, that movie was the bomb, which actually means it was excellent. Context is everything when understanding how to use this word correctly. Here are a few more examples of bomb in action. The fighter jets were ordered to bomb the enemy supply lines. If I don't study, I know I'll bomb the exam tomorrow. The comedian's joke completely bombed with the audience. To recap, our word of the day, bomb, is a verb that means to attack with bombs. It has literal and figurative uses, and depending on the context, it can convey destruction, failure, or even something unexpectedly amazing. Thanks for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a challenge for you. Can you create your own sentence using bomb? Share it in the comments, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and have a great day.